Are we on the air?
Ruh-roh. What's up? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I may sound a little fired up right now. It's that time. It's Glamis season. We're here at the shop. This is Camp Razor weekend. I don't know if you guys can see the stage over there, but there's a stage, a Ferris wheel. There's all kinds of stuff going on. Polaris is out here doing their thing. We're out here getting ready to open up the shop, and the onslaught's about to start. It's gonna get like they say, it gets worse before it gets better. This is gonna get crazy. So we're here. Shop's gonna open up here just in a few minutes, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna show you guys all the chaos. So you guys stick around, and we'll show you the first car when it comes in. All right, guys. So I'll show you the inside of the shop before we get started today. As you can see, it's somewhat clean. By the end of the day, it's not going to be so clean. So we're getting open, getting started, and everybody's here.
Rock and roll.
Yeah, buddy.
You take the trash.
All right, first carnage of the day. Looks like we got a broken clutch bolt in this Razor. So we have tools for that. We'll get it out, get it extracted. We'll get him a new clutch bolt in and get him on his way. Here we go.
Hopefully it'll bite this time. There we go. Wrench there. Like we knew what we were doing.
Right?
I think so.
If it's wobbling, then yeah. All right, guys, check that out.
Long-winded little dude.
Yeah, it is. Just like that, the clutch bolt's out, boys.
Bam!
All right, guys, so we got the clutch back on. Use the regular Polaris clutch bolt. It's plenty long. I got like 6 full revolutions into it, so.
Did you?
No, he's doing it right now. And then this thing, I got the belt on, this will be good to go.
Yeah.
All right, guys, well, the clutch is fixed. Back on, customer's on his way. Later. So Joe just gave him the standard warranty. What is it?
The warranty's 50 seconds or 50 feet. And most of the time it's over with by the time they even get in the car.
Yeah, they're on their way. See you guys. All right, guys, here's some more carnage. Come on in.
Forward?
Forward, right here.
I'll try. Kick it. There you go. Cut all this crap off.
All right, who did it? Did you do it?
I did it.
Uh-oh.
And it was a massive 1 foot drop off.
Get that stuff off.
So it looks like the bracket for the rack of pinion broke off.
The whole
The
tube.
whole tube broke.
Tube broke
yeah.
right out of it.
You know what we're gonna do? Joe, get in there and weld that thing right up.
Because we're gonna have to stitch that off.
Yep.
Where's we got the nut and washer?
Need a hammer. Just very. Nail it right there.
All right, we cut out the old tube. Joe notched a piece of tube. We got the bracket cut off and ready, and we'll get this thing bolted back up and get it back together.
Juice me. Got brand new ones.
I see that.
Ready then? Ready for gun? I think 2.
2. Look at Brandon getting down with the MIG, boy. All right, guys, got the rack of pinion back in, all welded up, good to go. Got stay flow in his tire.
We got trophies.
Yep, yeah, got a couple trophies there. So we're on to the next one. Here we go. Here, driver. All right, guys, got a Dodge truck coming in. The broken shock mount. Straight, 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 straight. There you go. Watch your mirror. Good, right there. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, broke right off the front, right off the axle. Now we'll jack her up and get her welded back up. All right, Brandon's welding the shock mount back in. Get him on his way. Joe's working on a bead lock. A broken wheel.
Little bit of Glamis fab right here. Yeah, buddy.
To weld the inside or the outside?
Oh.
Got it. Weld it up. We'll get the tire back on and get him back on the road. Guys, well, this car here for a wiring issue. Something ripped out of the switch, so we're gonna get her crimped back up, get his lights working again, and get him back out of here. All right, guys, we got another one in. What's going on with this one, Joe?
Nobody tightens lug nuts.
Oh, that's pretty common out here. Broken studs. Oh yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to weld them in. These are good. Brandon's gonna take the caliper. Well, what we need to do is take the caliper off and take this nut off, slide it off, and we'll slide a brand new one in, and then we'll tighten it up, weld the back side of it, and take it apart and put it back on.
Yeah, there's 6 stakes. All right, guys, so this guy's got a broken belt stuck on there. We can't get the clutch off. So we're gonna start it up and rev the motor, and hopefully this thing opens up enough we can get the rest of this belt material out and get another one back on the road.
No.
Got some of it.
Little, but we're gonna have to. It's weird, Harvey. This thing should have came apart.
There's a lot of chaos going on. I haven't had a whole lot of time to film. But that car we had to do some brakes on. This one needed an alternator, and it's just been razor after razor. So we're still pushing away here. Hi, babe. Out there waiting.
Good right there.
All right, guys, we got one of John's cars here from Playtech.
There you go.
Let's see what happened. Oh, Albans is missing a bunch of bolts.
Called somebody doesn't service their car.
Right here, get a picture of him.
So they let.
Oh, where you at?
Where's he?
This the owner right here. This the owner.
Oh, it's you.
Yeah, it's me.
Oh, no maintenance?
No
Just
maintenance,
just
baby.
drive it like it's a Honda or
Yeah.
something? Ah.
Right up the hill behind. You give me a socket for that?
Yep.
Whatever it's, I don't know what it is.
Oh, sure. I think it's 5/8. Yeah. Worst part, you're gonna have to hold the ground while I do this shit. Can you come on this side? Just hold it.
Can we just grab it off one of those nuts right there?
Maybe, if it'll stay.
I can hold it.
Alright, that's fine. You're only gonna take a second. Alright, socket.
You got. Let me get it on the gun. Here.
One more time.
It's on forward.
What the hell did you give me that for then?
Oh,
It was coming.
I saw that. All right, guys, we got the bolt extracted.
We need
Joe
a
welded it.
half-inch tap.
Half-inch tap for that.
I gotta chase them all.
So we got to chase all the threads out of there and put a new CV and new bolts in it.
A lot of safety shit in there.
All right, guys. So this car keeps throwing belts. So we took a piece of angle iron here, stuck it right here against the crank pulley and against the alternator, and you can see right there there's a gap. The alternator's crooked. So we're gonna switch out the alternator bracket and get them lined up. Looks like it's doing the same thing. No. No, it's touching. It's touching. That looks much better. Much better. All right, so we're swapping out the upper pulley now. We got the new bracket on. We're gonna throw the belt on this thing and see what it looks like.
You got a new belt, so that one was starting to round off.
605. All right, guys, so and right about 3:30, everyone goes to the drag. So the shop kind of ends up like this. Got one guy pulling out of here, and just like that, it turns off like a light switch. And in about an hour, it's going to pick back up until like 6 or 7 o'clock when we get out of here. So that's kind of a day in the life, and we'll show you the next Carnage when it comes in.
The whole piece. This whole piece has to be cut out. A brand new one put in. Look at the bulkhead on this thing. Look at the rack, it's smashed in.
So the bulkhead's bent.
Yeah, you can't straighten that shit.
Holy smokes.
But there is so many. It's gonna take apart because the air and everything is connected.
Yeah.
Maybe it's straight.
All right, guys. So this guy came in today. He's got a twin turbo J32 and he's having some trouble with the AEM. We're going to log in and take a look at it and look at his tune. At the tune, everything looked really good. There's just some vacuum line routing issues. We've got the wastegates going to nowhere, so we're going to hook them up to the snails, and that way the wastegates will start working, and then hook his blow-off valve up to a vacuum source, and then this thing should be good to go. Hey everybody, so as I sit here in the trailer tonight after the shop's closed editing this video, I once again forgot to shoot an outro when we were in the shop today. But what I'm showing you guys here from the shop is honestly just a little piece of what we do every day. And I know it seems like we're kind of jumping around back and forth, but that's actually how it works here. We're working on 3 or 4 cars simultaneously at the same time. Brandon might be welding something, I could be working on a tire, Joe could be torching something and bending it, or vice versa. Brandon can be working on a tire, Dave will be doing something and I'm welding something. So that's what the chaos is like out here at the shop, guys. It is non-stop. So I'm going to keep filming as much as I can, keep bringing you episodes, and we're going to try to do some daily uploads while we're out here for Halloween weekends. So once again, guys, make sure you give us a like and a subscribe. Make sure you share this video with your friends, and I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you tomorrow.